What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to ECW Beauty. My name is Denise. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you like what you see and I hope you subscribe. Today's video is going to be a bit of a review video. I picked up the new KVD Good Apple, I think it's a serum foundation, and I have it in the shade Tan. Granted, when I went on to the Ulta website, I believe I got this from Ulta, either Ulta or Sephora. When I went onto the website, they could not match me, so I did the best I could to match myself, and we will see what happens. I feel like it's kind of okay, maybe a little bit white, not white, but it might be a little bit light. So my plan is just to, I thought I had some, but I'm going to just pick up some of the one of the mixing pigments to just make it a little bit darker, because I think I don't want to mix it with another foundation, but that depends. If it's too matte, I am going to mix it with like the L'Oreal True Match Serum foundation. So we are going to jump in, and I'm going to shake this up. I primed my face already with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I am interested to see how this is, because the other Good Apple foundation I picked up was the sort of like a balm foundation, and I got it in the shade, I think this might be shade 74. Yeah, this is a shade 74 tan. I picked that one up in the shade 72, and it was too dark or too red or something, but so I decided to get this one. So we'll see. We will see. So I'm going to use one of my Real Techniques brushes, and this is the buffing brush, and I'm going to do what I always do, and I'm going to spray it and then use it to apply my foundation. This foundation does come with a pump, and I don't know, I think it's like $44 or something like that. Let me check. $42 is how much this foundation is. So I'm going to see how well this matches my skin. Oh, I made a mess here trying to get it on my hand. But that is what it looks like on my hand. I did 3 pumps, and I have the Saturday Skin Mist. I don't know if it's a setting spray or not. I think it's just a facial mist. Daily Dew Hydrating Essence Mist from Saturday Skin. I got that from BoxyCharm a while back. Alright, so I am going to dot this onto my face. I just feel like her, not her because it's not her anymore, but I feel like their shade range is a little bit weird. And that's why it couldn't, like, they couldn't match me, because the shade range was just kind of weird. But this is what it looks like, so promising. So let's go ahead and blend it in. The face is still a little bit sore. It's been like a week and a couple of days since I got this tooth pulled, and it is still a little bit sore. Now, when they say, because this is a full coverage foundation, when they say full coverage, they pretty much mean full coverage. I don't want to be all like cake faced, so I am not gonna do too much more of a layer. Maybe like on the just like a little, I'm just gonna put like a little dot, and you can control the pump. That's what I like about the pump. But I am just gonna, this eye kind of looks okay, but my little spots right here are kind of showing through. everywhere else, I feel like I got pretty good coverage. And we'll just kind of press that in. And I will say that it is pretty much of a matte foundation, but it's not too matte. I am going to eventually go back in and I'm going to go in, because right now my face is looking all one shade, and that's because this is all full coverage. I am going to, because I have a couple of other videos to do, I am going to do a bronzer. I'm going to do a highlighter and blush and stuff like that. And then we will see what it looks like once I get all of my makeup on. So, I'll be back. Hey, I forgot to come back and do my to wrap up my video on the Good Apple foundation. So I just grabbed my phone. Sorry it's shaky, but this is actually the look that I came up with. And it's kind of hard to kind of look at the camera because I'm so used to looking at my phone, but I will try to look at my camera. This is what the foundation looks like. It is looking a little shiny, probably because of the light and the camera, but it's been maybe 3 hours since I put it on. So this is what it's looking like. And I can't complain about it too much. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It is not super matte. Like I was afraid it was going to be super matte and I was going to have to mix it with something to like moisturize it. But it feels pretty good on my skin. Coming a little bit closer. It does not look like it's breaking down. Granted, it's only been about 3 hours since I put it on, but I like it. The color, this might be some bronzer gone wrong right here, but the color, if I look at my neck and look at my face, probably could be better, but it's actually really not as bad of a match as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be like pasty pale on my skin and that I was going to have to get something darker to match it, but it's okay. It's okay. Like I said, it's $42, which is, I guess, about average for higher end foundation. And it worked well with that Milk Hydro Grip Primer that I used. It also kind of worked well with, I used a cream blush on top of it, and I used another powder blush on top of it. Plus I used a cream bronzer on top of it. I didn't notice any of those lifting the foundation up, so that's a plus. But this is it. This is my attempt of trying to finish out that video from earlier today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.